Good evening and welcome to another edition of the reading of the Gospel according to St. Matthew, chapter 22. Chapter 22, the Gospel according to St. Matthew. And Jesus answered and spake unto them again as parables, and said, The kingdom of heaven is like unto a king which made a marriage for his son. And he sent forth servants to call them that were bidden to the wedding, and they would not come. Again he sent forth other servants, saying, Tell them which are bidden, Behold, I have prepared my dinner. My oxen and my fatlings are killed, and all things are ready. Come unto the marriage. But they made light of it, and went their ways, one to his farm, another to his merchandise. And the remnant took his servants, and entreated them spitefully, and slew them. But when the king heard thereof, he was wroth, and he set forth his armies, and destroyed the murderers, and burnt up their city. Then said he to his servants, The wedding is ready, but they that were bidden were not worthy. Go ye therefore into the highways, and many as ye shall find, bid them to the marriage. For those servants went out into the highways, and gathered together all as many as they found, both bad and good, and the wedding was furnished with guests. And when the king came in and saw the guests, he saw there was a man which had not on a wedding garment. And he said unto him, Friend, how come thou in hither without not having a wedding garment? And he was speechless. Then said the king to his servants, Bind him hand and foot, and take him away, and cast him into the outer darkness. There shall be weeping and gnashing of teeth. For many are called, but few are chosen. Then went the Pharisees and took counsel as to how they might entangle him in his talk. And they sent out unto him their disciples with the Herodians, saying, Master, we know that thou art true, and teachest the way of God in truth. Neither carest thou for any man, for thou regardest not the person of men. Tell us therefore, what thinkest thou? Is it lawful to give tribute unto Caesar or not? But Jesus perceived their wickedness, and said, Why tempt ye me, ye hypocrites? Shew me the tribute money. And they brought unto him a penny. And he said unto them, Whose is the image and the superscription? They said unto him, Caesar's. And then he said unto them, Render therefore unto Caesar those things which are Caesar's, and unto God those things which are God's. When they heard these words, they were marveled, and they went their way. The same day came unto him Sadducees, which say there is no resurrection, and asked him, saying, Master, Moses said, If a man die, having no children, his brother shall marry his wife, and raise up seed unto his brother. Now there were such with us 7 brethren, and the first, when he married a wife, deceased, and having no issue, left his wife unto his brother. The second also, the third unto the 7th. And last of all, the woman also died. Therefore in the resurrection, whose wife shall he be of the 7? For they all had her. And Jesus answered and said unto them, Ye do err, not knowing the scriptures, nor the power of God. For in the resurrection they neither marry nor are given in marriage, but are as the angels of God in heaven. But as touching the resurrection of the dead, have ye not read that which was spoken unto you by God, saying, I am the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, the God of Jacob. God is not the God of the dead, but the God of the living. But when the multitude heard this, they were astonished at his doctrine. But when the Pharisees had heard that he had put the Sadducees to silence, they were gathered together. Then one of them, which was a lawyer, asked him a question, tempting him, and saying, Master, which is the greatest commandment of the law? And Jesus said unto him, Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind. This is the first and the great commandment. And the second is like unto it, saying, Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. On these 2 commandments hang all the law and the prophets. Saying, and the Pharisees were gathered together, Jesus asked them, saying, What think ye of Christ? Whose son is he? And they said to him, The son of David. And he said unto them, How then does David in spirit call him Lord, saying, The Lord said unto my Lord, Sit thou on my right hand, till I make thine enemies thy footstool. If David then call him Lord, how is he his son? And no man was able to answer him a word, nor did any man from that day forth ask him any more questions.